Training back then focused, as most such programs did, on the beauty of indigenous ideas about such things as kinship systems, healing practices. However helpful attention to such things are, however helpful it is toward the goal of a more humane and really anti-racist understanding of the world, the cultural worlds that anthropology had tried to document were treated as if they were somehow outside of history, occurring in a vacuum, outside of the influence of powerful economic and political forces. So my miseducation led me to be surprised when my initial permission to travel to Iqaluit was granted not by Chamorros and Carolinians, but first by US bureaucrats, then operating as trust territory officials. I only then came to realize that what this all actually meant, that Iqaluit, like Guam, has a deeply colonial history, and that the lives of the people here have led, were in many ways of their own creative making, and in other ways they were the result of choices made by people in other remote locations, most recently in Tokyo and in Washington, D.C.